guys, welcome to the channel. This is your boy J Reed for the love of cars, and I have something special for you today. I have new wheels, new tires. I got a drag pack, and I'm going to show them to you in just a little bit. They're 15s in the front, 15s by 4 in the front, 15 by 8s in the back, 275s in the back, and 165 80s in the front. So let me show those to you. I have these bad boys mounted up on a set of Vision wheels that I bought off eBay. And man, they look pretty good. That's a nice meaty tire. These are Nito's NT555R. I know they're not the best, but they are the cheapest for the price. They're 275 50/15s on 15 by 8, 5.5 back spacing. And we're going to try to get these on the back without having to flip shit around. Hopefully there won't be no rub and I won't have to roll no fenders. At least that's the plan. It irritates me when it locks. Okay, thought the front was closer. This is the other one. See if I can get the front so you can see it. Ooh, you got them skinnies. Hold on. This is the front one. Like I said, we got 165 80/15s, and they look pretty good. Need to clean them up. They're not hub centric, so I had to get hub rings. I have lug nuts for them. Didn't come with valve stems. I had to get those. I got these at a pretty good deal on eBay. For wheels and tires, I got the wheels and the tires on eBay. I think I paid $9.28 from like 3 different sources. But anyway, we are fixing to get these mounted up so you all can see what they look like. They didn't even feel like they didn't even finish spray painting these bitches. That's tremendous. Sometimes you get what you pay for. If you notice right here on the back side, these are cheaper wheels. They're lighter than the Cobras. They went a little over 100 a piece, but as you can see, they didn't really finish painting the back, but oh well, the front is painted, and that's what's important. But anyway, let's get these bad boys on. Hopefully I won't have any issues. Okay guys, so I got the wheels on. I've done a few runs on the street to test them out to make sure they are in balance, and they are in balance. Everything's good. High speed, no vibration, it turns better. It just really improved the car. I really didn't think that they were going to improve the cars as well, improve the car as well as it did, but it did. So let me show you what it looks like. Damn, it's hard getting up out of here. So, a lot of sun. So here we go, folks. This is what it looks like. No armor on because this ain't no damn show car. So what do you guys think? This is the Foxbody with the new wheels, race wheels and tires. These are Vision 532s, something like that. 531s. I got them off eBay. Pretty good deal. I think it improves the look of the car. It looks more like a race car now. But they are also mechanically sound. It looks good. It feels good. The stance is just right. There's a lot of glare on that side. It's got a good stance on them. They are perfect. I didn't have to do any type of modifications to the back ones. And again, these are 275 50/15s, 5.5 back spacing, 15 by 8s. So if you have a Foxbody and you're wondering what type of modifications you have to do to the back wheel, like they say, you got to flip the shock. You know, people that get rub, my mufflers kind of dumps off before the axle, the rear axle, so I didn't have to worry about that rub. But they don't rub the shocks at all. See if I can show you. See, there's lots of space, lots and lots of space everywhere. I just think it turned out well. that's it for this video. I hope you like it. It's kind of short, but I just wanted to show you my new wheels and tire setup that I just got. The Foxbody's moving along. Hadn't really done anything to the vet. Not really too much else to do to it unless I want to spend about 10 grand, which I don't want to do. You know how fast I can make this car for the amount that I could put in there? I could buy another one of these, boost it to hell, put another motor in it just to do something simple on the vet. So I'm focusing on Foxbody for right now. I think the next mod is going to be, I need to get rid of the white stripes on the car, and I need some nitrous. But anyway, this is your boy Jay Reed. For the love of cars, hit that like button. Tell me what you think about the new wheel setup. And I'm out. Subscribe too. Peace.